This is how to make your iPhone louder.
Tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Make sure this is turned all the way up. Scroll down, ringtone, old phone is the loudest. Scroll down to the bottom, volume limit, tap there. Make sure this is turned off so it doesn't limit your volume. Tap on the back button. From here, tap on headphone safety and make sure reduce loud audio is turned off. Tap on settings, scroll down, tap on apps. From here in the search bar, just type in music and go ahead and tap there. Scroll down and where it says EQ, go ahead and tap there, and you want to pick late night. That is the loudest. From here, tap the back button in the top left, and right here, tap on sound check to turn that off. That can lower your sound as well.
Another thing that can really lower the volume on your phone is if the speakers are plugged up or dirty. So you can give it a slight blast of air or use some type of Q-tip to clean out those speakers. Now that you've changed all of those settings, your iPhone should be much louder. Let me know in the comments down below if your iPhone is louder now.